Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to talk about my new app, MyKeys. The app is for saving the rooms and their combination keys, the PIN key. This is the main purpose, but you can use it for many things like passwords, like saving website and their passwords, like copy code, many thing, and basically it's anything Excel, because you can import Excel data to it and export it and view it in a special way and edit it in a special way. First of all, let us start the app. After you install it, this is it, My Keys. You double click it and you go to the main page. In the main page, you will have a horizontal menu, as you see, and side menu. We'll talk about the two of them. The horizontal menu, the first one from the right, close or cancel, close the app page. The second icon, when you click it, you will see all the categories that you have. The third one, plus sign, which is for adding category, and you have adding category button here because it's very important. You can't use the app without adding category. And also there's a view categories button, the second one, and there is a search bar here in the page. You put the key or the value of the item and you click enter and it gives you the detail. And also in the horizontal menu, the last one, we have the home icon. This is to return the main page, to return to the main page. If we go to the side menu here, you see import, export, user guide, and setting. The import, to import Excel file, data from Excel file. And as I said, you can either import it using Excel file, the data using Excel file, or you put it manually, and I will talk in detail about each one. The export for backing up your data in Excel file to Excel file and save it on your smartphone. The user guide, this is the steps and the guide that you follow to use the app, and I will update it regularly. So each time I update the app and I add more feature, you will go to this link and you read about this feature. And settings for later, I will integrate my app with AI and add many features using the AI, and the setting for it. But right now, nothing. You will find nothing. Next, first of all, adding the category manually. Let us add category. We click the button here and let us add category like rooms, and then we click save category. You see the message room, save it. Then we go to the main page and we need to add items to this category. We go view category, we see the rooms appeared here in the categories view. Then we click on that category, you see here. Then add item. Let us say room number 1, and let us say it's bin or combination key 1, 2, 3, and we save it. You see it appear here. Let us add another one, room 2, and we add its combination and we save. If I wanna edit in the future, edit this items, you see edit here. I update it and click update. Let us update it, for example. it will be updated. If I wanna delete it, I just click here the icon and then delete it. This is how to edit the category and categories and its items manually. So now let us talk about searching the element. We go to the main page and we put, for example, I want to remember the room combination. I put the room and then I press enter. You see the detail about the room, it will show up here. Then I go to the main the main page and search for other room, etc. here. Then I will talk about importing. The first way to input data is via manually. You can manually input data. Now I want to input data via importing. So in the importing, I go to the side menu, click importing, and I have this form. We can import only Excel file. The Excel file need to be either the first column is the keys and the second is the value, and without the third column should be the category, but if not, it will give you an option. If not, you will use, for example, already their categories, which is you pick it from the room here, from the room. Okay. If you wanna create a special category for that Excel file, you choose this option. I wanna choose this option, for example, be personal, be one category, and I wanna click here and I have sample file here, and then import now, and it will be successfully imported. Let us go and see, view the categories, room. Okay. Then I'll you see it is there now, already created. Then if I need to use categories that has three columns, which the first one is the key, the key, the second is the value, the third is the categories, then I choose the first one. Let us use, I have already I made this Excel file already, which has this thing. Then I click import, and it is already imported here. Then what else? I go here. What else we want to talk about? User guide and the setting. I want to just talk about exporting. This will export your data. It will ask you where to save in your mobile, and then save, mostly in the download area, download folder in your mobile, and that's all. So as you see now, all the new made categories that I exported from the Excel file show up here, like network, etc. Then let me see other office device, security, etc. You can use the app for many things, and I'm planning to integrate it with AI, that you can search by talking, by a smarter way to deal with the app. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening and supporting my app.